Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Next, I will spend 5 minutes making this pair of earrings. First, prepare the mineral pigment. Take 2 scoops of light blue pigment, add 2 drops of glue, and mix thoroughly. It is important to mix it evenly. Next, you need to color the metal earrings. Gently scoop up a bit of light blue pigment with a small shovel, and evenly apply it on the metal surface. Ensure to cover every area, avoiding uneven thickness. It must be applied evenly, then polish it for a smooth finish. Alright, next we are going to switch to a different color for coloring. Take out the light yellow mineral pigment, add 2 scoops, and drip in 2 drops of glue. Again, it needs to be stirred evenly. Next is the most crucial part. Use a small shovel to evenly apply the light yellow pigment to the upper part of the triangular earrings. Be careful not to touch the blue pigment first. After applying evenly, you can use the small shovel to move back and forth between the 2 colors, allowing them to mix and flow at the junction, creating a fluid effect. Now that you have successfully made one, repeat the same steps to create another earring, and you're all set. If you enjoy my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I will keep creating content. If you also want to create, you can purchase through the link below the video.